here na in Lost Chambers. Say hello, Demi.
Hello.
Hello. We will see the Lost Aquarium. Lost Chambers Aquarium. Mimi will see mermaid. Woo! You will see mermaid? Tita, you want to see mermaid? Yes or no?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, bye-bye. Wow, what's that, Demi? No. Snake daw. What's that, snake? Takot siya. No, there's a big snake. Oh no. Buhay? Oh no, it's moving. Woo! Tsaka may fish talaga.
O, joke lang.
Totoo ata.
Oh my God! Let's go!
Who are you? Who are you? Demi, look. Demi, look. There's many fishes. Wow, big fish, Mimi, oh. Wow. Look, Demi, there's many fish here. Look. Demi, come. Natatakot siya. There's a big fish. Parang Pokemon. Wow. Ang laki, oh. Sarap i-adobo niyan.
It's so big.
Wow. Demi, go stand. Glowing corals. Wow. Ano yan? Dami fishes, oh, Demi. Wow. Ganda.
Daddy, sobrang... Di ba naman pwede hawakan?
Go there, Demi, dali. Wow, what's that? Starfish ba yun? Yun. Go touch Mimi.
Or shark egg cakes. You can touch this one. It's empty already. Touch this one.
Touch Mimi.
It's empty. This one we have our baby sharks.
Touch You go touch Mimi, go.
It's like the shell of the sharks. But if you want to do the baby shark, we have them on that side. Over there. Yeah, come over, sweetie. Come here.
Go, Demi, go.
Baby,
Go,
come.
go,
Let's go, baby shark.
It's a baby shark.
It's a shark eggs, madam. Over here, sweetie. Look over here. There's a baby shark over here, baby shark.
There's a
also
baby
somewhere hiding over there.
shark.
See the baby shark?
Yes.
Yeah, we're just resting.
Baby shark.
Oo nga, no, baby shark.
Baby shark. I think that's mommy shark. Daddy and daddy shark.
There's no daddy shark, only baby shark.
Oh my God.
Demi, lower your voice.
Ang cute. Ang
Hindi, video naman to sa vlog. Wow! 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 Ganda, bilog. Wow, ang sweet. Sweet naman. Para silang spiders. They look like spiders, but they're lobsters. Look at the crab. Say hello sa lobster. Sabi niya dyan sa book, prob. Prob daw. David, di mo pakali. Oh? They're lobsters. Ang ganda, oh, wow. Ganda, Demi. Look, there's our shark. There's a shark.
Wala pa siya picture mo.
Go there, you go there. Go, I'll take video of you.
Pipicturean kita.
Wow.
Ito, I'll give you. You have both also.
Huwag ka na mag-phone. Kaya ka nga nagpunta sa aquarium. Ah, okay. Ganda, oh. Phone. Buti dala mo. Ah, kunyari, gusto niya din kuhanan ng picture. Kala mo na. Yung pala, gusto niya, kunyari, nagkukuha din siya ng picture. Oh. Hindi, nagtitingin daw siya ng picture eh. Ganda. Ganda. Dapat ito pala yung videoan natin. Na tayong tatlo. Si Demi. Kunyari na kinukuha na niya din ng video. Ito tayo. Yan pala dapat. Ganda na yung show. Ilalabas na.
Wala, di ko natapos na.
Demi look. Parang light show siya, ganun light show. magawa eh.
Dali na!
Para siya yung naalala mo yung sa ano, Avatar. Yes. There's mermaid. Look, there's a mermaid. Now you should look at the mermaid. Parang takot naman yung mermaid lumakoy. Ay, baby. Wala na yung mermaid. Yun! There's another one. Ah! Look! Huwag na makalimutan. Bye-bye vlog. That's the end of our video. 1 hour trip sa aquarium. There's mommy driving. Thank you mommy for the lunch. Ayun, plakda na ang baby. Saka na ulit siguro kami babalik ng aquarium. That's the end of our video. Bye!